BBEN G16. Those who are into playing different games probably understand how important it is to have a high-quality and powerful computer. For that reason, many people invest in a desktop, which they fully put together. Little do many know that there are plenty of gaming laptops available on the wide market. BBEN G16 Notebook 15-inch FHD IPS display gaming laptop, one that we have observed and reviewed, is sure to fill out all of your needs. This gaming notebook is made to have a sleek design that makes it easy to move around. With that being said, the screen is 15.6 inches, and the overall weight of the notebook is just 2 kilograms and 891 grams. One of the first features of this notebook that captures users' attention is the RGB backlight on the keyboard. Aviation aluminum alloy material with a brushed metal texture feels great in the hands, and is extremely durable. 15.6-inch screen has a 16:9 display ratio with 1920 by 1080 pixel resolution. Games and movies are sure to be colorful and bright. 128GB SSD memory capacity is made to provide with plenty of space for just about all of your files, programs, games and movies. One also has the option of purchasing with a 128GB SSD, 128GB SSD plus 1TB HDD, 256GB SSD plus 1TB HDD, 256GB SSD plus 2TB HDD, 256GB SSD M.2, and 256GB SSD PKI, but the price varies. 4000 mAh Li-ion polymer battery installed charges to the fullest in 3 to 4 hours, for up to 2 to 5 hours of working time. BBEN G16 notebook is in the higher price range, but has features to impress. More features: metal body design, powerful NVIDIA GeForce GTX1060 graphics chipset, LAN card, Bluetooth 4.0, 45 watts power consumption, 14 nanometers process technology, 8 threads, 2 RAM slot, 32 GB largest RAM capacity, SSD and HDD drives, RJ45 connector, 2 USB v3.0 port available, PCIe hard disk interface type, 500M/s rotational speed, mix support, built-in dual speakers, 100 to 240 volts/19 volts 7.98 charger output power, colorful backlight keyboard.